Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Microsoft Edge, as you may well know, we have a feature called Search Bar, which basically at the end of the day is an extension of the browser that lets you search the web from the convenience of your desktop. And I have posted quite a bit of content on the search bar over the years in Microsoft Edge. Now it does seem that Google and Chrome are thinking of a similar setup for the Chrome web browser, because as pointed out by LeoPever64 over on X, there's a prototype in Chromium Gerrit that mentions a new Everywhere Omnibox. Implement standalone Everywhere Omnibox desktop compose pop-up for Chrome. And according to the description, this feature is a web UI compose pop-up centered on the screen. As we can see, a standalone web UI compose pop-up centered on the screen, triggered by a keyboard shortcut. So it could look similar to the Edge search bar, that's why I showed you that search bar, or the Google app for Windows. And I have posted on the Google app for Windows. I'll leave a video on how you can get your hands on the Google app for Windows. I'll leave it linked down below and in the end screen. So it could be a very similar setup to that Google app, according to this description and this patch over on Chromium Gerrit. So I thought this was interesting. So it's very much still in its early stages of development, but I thought this was interesting. So I'm going to keep my eyes and ears close to the ground of this one. But on a personal level, I personally don't think we need a Everywhere Omnibox desktop compose pop-up in Google Chrome. I don't think the search bar, or Edge bar as it was also previously known over on Microsoft Edge, is a very popular feature, but nonetheless, I'll keep you guys in the loop when I get more information. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.